Let's walk through how to carve your Hader's turkey. After letting your turkey rest for 20 to 25 minutes, we're going to start by removing the legs off of the turkey. Let your knife cut through the skin, and then as you pull that leg away, let your knife kind of cut through some of those extra pieces of joints and pull that leg off of both sides. I'm going to hang on to my turkey and sort of find that breast bone and cut my knife down as close to the bone as possible, letting it guide me. Once I get close to the bottom, I start pulling that turkey breast away so that I can get a clean cut on the bottom. Perfect. Do that on both sides, and then the only thing that you're gonna have left are those wings. These ones you need to do a little tugging and pulling and let your knife help you with some of those joints. In order to serve the breasts, I also like to make sure that I slice them up for the platter. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there, do a little tugging and pulling, and enjoy your Hader's turkey.